When it comes to changing the tire on a bike or bicycle, removing the air from the tire has always been an hassle. Don't get me wrong, I know of the various methods that can be used to remove the air from the tire. However, it has always been a little bit difficult, a little bit challenging to do so. And hence I decided to purchase this tool on Amazon. And it costs only $2. So this is a valve tool. It has 4 attachments. However, at least 1, 2, or 3 of these attachments should be able to release the air very quickly from the tube. Let me do a simple demonstration. Then we have this broader side. Alright, perfect. And then we have stem valve puller. So let's see what happens. Alright. So based on the result that I got just now, I think this is a perfect tool to have. Once you have a bike or a bicycle, whether it be e-bike or a regular bicycle, I think this tool is perfect for your toolkit. And the best part about it, this is a very inexpensive item. As always, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel.